got to do something else, and something else is usually synthetics. I'll just quickly set the indicator for the piano correctly.
Oh boy, yoing.
I cannot connect to the riff.
Oh shit. Alright, here, let me try.
I lost the meaning of life just now.
I'm just gonna get hammered tonight, man. That's whatever. I'm so excited here, though. Kinda. I mean, unless this smites me, but. Alright. Another reason to hate the British. Let's see if Deriv's connecting. I can't connect to Deriv either.
Okay, I just figured it out.
Oh. So how do... Wait, did it just connect? Oh yeah, I'm connected. Oh, okay, what the fuck? I don't know what you figured out, but it figured it out for me too, so thank you.
So whatever it was. Alright, this is supposed to be M15 here.
I don't want to be connected to the server in Ireland. I'll take the German one for more ping.
Yeah, right?
I don't...
Seriously? Island.
I don't know what's going on. No one's in here but us, I guess. Yeah.
The rest is just drunk.
I got up a few hours ago. It's fucking 7 p.m. I'm a vampire. Oh geez, no one's even watching this stream. Yeah. Alright, V75, let's do it. Why not?
Yeah, I'm just thinking of selling it, but it's probably gonna go higher. Fucking MetaTrader, moving trend lines is such a pain in the ass.
I am here to LOL.
Alright, Alexander, get in the voice chat. One of us.
Yeah, we need something to bitch about.
Try to sell us an idea.
Happy New Year's BTW Thor Axel and Swing.
Why I'm hearing everything double? Oh, the voice, the audio copy is set on, turn off.
So I shit talked this bot. This bot messaged me with like a spam thing to like join their penny stock server.
Hey, there is at least one loser here listening. Me.
Wow. Anyway, I was shit talking this bot, and it ended up being a person And they say, nah, this is my job, I get paid for it. What do you mean I can't do anything? And I said, I never said you can't do anything. I said you'll never be anything. However, I respect the hustle, keep it up. And he said, respect, sorry man, I just have a bad day, thank you.
Oh, that's nice. This reminds me of Ozzy's review for Nice Peoples. Did you see that in Hodl My Beer?
No. I'm scared to talk shit to bots now, because I don't want to, like, send some third world guy over an edge or something. I just thought it was a bot. So I was, like, trying to be extra mean. I was like, oh no.
There it is, Aussie Man Reviews. Most polite people ever.
Is it in Hodl? Alright, well I have my alert thing on, so I guess I don't have to stare at this. The power. Actually, let's see how many... I'm gonna do a test on Deriv. I'm gonna put up this thing on a few instruments. 1 minute, 5 minute, B10, B25, B50, 75, 100. And I want to see how many fucking signals I get in like 2 hours. The quest. Wait, didn't I make a template? Oh yeah, I did. I keep using the Deriv template I have for everything, not paying attention. Figured Tuxman would get in here today. Yeah, I need to set up just an alert template. Volatility 24. Oh man, this is gonna be crazy. I want to boost the server, but I don't think that does anything at this point. So I don't know. It'd be kind of pointless. I have a free boost basically. But I don't think there's any advantage. Were we gonna get taken off the public server list, or are we still on? Because we had like a warning, right?
We're still on now.
Yeah, I know we're still on, but is it like, are we on like a death clock?
I'd have some grease period, but I'm not so. But they're more worried about the retention, actually.
Should just like call them up and be like, hey, Forex community's kind of small, and we kick or ban every bot, so cut us some slack. Actually, I'll message them right now. So I have alerts now. Thank you, Wobbler. I think I scared off Wobbler yesterday, but I was intoxicated. I hold no responsibility for my actions. Alright, Discord contacts.
Swingfish, you really enjoy trading.
What are you trying to do?
Oh, I'm just gonna send Discord a message being like, hey, the Forex community is pretty small. I know you guys are trying to help out smaller communities right now, but we kick and ban every bot, so if you guys could be nice and leave us up on the public list, that would be cool. Something like that. I don't know. Worded way better. Though I'm not obviously the server owner, so like, who the heck is this guy? Oh, V25, I got a signal. Okay. Wait, that's not a correct... Oh wait, no, it is a correct signal. Oh, it's backwards though.
Oh shit, V25, V75 said to beam up.
Oh. Oh yeah, I need to put up a big chart on this one. Alright, let's check it out. It's pretty cool that the VWAP and everything still works on Deriv. It's kind of nice. The cool thing too is you don't have to worry about who your liquidity provider is, because there's only one. You're like, is this the correct tick and information? It's like, that's what everyone sees. Yep. Oh no, it's the virus-inducing mutant. Happy New Year, you're on.
Yeah, all the wannabes gonna be like, oh, the liquidity and blah blah blah. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, but luckily we all see the same thing now. We don't have to be like, who's your broker? Well, on the V75, this is the high for me. I don't know. So I imagine the VWAP's pretty much consistent across the board.
I should take profit here on V75.
Oh, you're on the 1 minute, okay. Wait, no, that's the range break. A 15 minute. You're on the 15? What'd you do for New Year's? Mine hasn't happened yet.
This is just MetaTrader fucks it up.
What about you, beer bongs?
What'd you say?
What'd you do for New Year's? Anything fun?
No, just sat here and got drunk and high over Discord with some friends.
Oh, okay.
They live half an hour away from me, but I can't go and see because we are back in lockdown.
Actually, like, I know you were getting into like, what do you call it? Bioengineering? I don't know. Didn't you make the new strand of virus? Was that you?
It wasn't me specifically.
Do you think you've had COVID?
I don't know, maybe.
What if the mushrooms protect you?
Maybe they do. Maybe.
I don't know. I still have this feeling that we like evolved from mushrooms.
We did.
Well then, I'm glad that my fucking psychotic thoughts are correct. Thank you, beer bongs. Watch me spiral into a pit of insanity as you reassure me in my bullshit.
Genetically, we have more in common with mushrooms than mushrooms do with plants.
So that's pretty crazy. I didn't exactly know that. I have a loose memory of hearing. Well, it's just weird that everything mushrooms do, like lion's mane will regenerate your brain. Other ones do psychedelics. Some will rewire your brain. And I'm like, why are they so involved with our minds? I think we gain consciousness from mushrooms. We're just like eating them.
It's my neck theory.
Dang it! Every fucking hippie in the '60s has beat me to this. I bet you it's a hippie from the '60s. I don't.
Probably.
Yeah. I mean, I've been to San Fran. A lot of mushroom art out there. I feel like in your past life, beer bongs, you were a druid. Or like a
What?
shaman. I think you were a shaman.
You know, I don't think so.
Okay.
Like, I'm particularly shamanistic.
If we took you away from your Steam games and we just gave you hallucinogens all day. Maybe a berserk. Maybe you could be like a berserker. Does that fit you better?
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton, it's out to be my lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
But look at you now. Son of a banker.
Gives me butterflies.
So okay, that's right.
Keep doxing you.
You got the damn right.
I won't say which bank, but you know.
You can't be telling people. You can't be telling all 6 people watching the stream right now which banker I'm the child of.
Oh, we're 3 people away from knowing anyone on Earth, so.
Just 3? We can make that.
Yeah, that's legit it. Like, I was like, no way. I was like, okay, let me take Obama. Then I realized, yeah, I'm 3 connections away from Obama. It's kind of creepy. I was like, okay. Because all it does is you ask someone who knows a lot of people, and they go, oh yeah, I have a friend. And then, okay, so that's 1 connection out of 2, and then yeah, you're usually there. It's not that hard, especially with the internet. No, I didn't say you're 3 best friends away from them. Yeah.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton, it's out to be my lady only.
Now if anyone asks me, I'm trading every single volatility index.
Impressive.
Thank you. 1 and 5 minute.
Somebody's bored, huh?
No. No, I just have alerts on all of them. I'm just waiting for one to signal me and be like, that looks good. Still need to set up that VPS. I keep forgetting because I keep drinking. Do you guys know a good VPS? Isn't it just like Amazon? Basically just trying to set up something absolutely ridiculous with signals. We're talking like an entire email service of Signal. Because there's no way in fuck I can keep track of all that shit otherwise. Also, I want it running 24 hours a day. And, yeah. Seb keeps offering me one. He's like, oh yeah, my company, I can get you one for free. And I'm like, I don't know. Oh, the most polite people ever. Okay. Chuck a wobbly. The first video that he goes through on this video, Swedish people, like, I don't know. They seem pretty excited.
What video?
In Hodl. Signal. Okay, V75, we got a signal. Yeah, it's a pretty shitty signal. Can't believe they opened the fucking door. Can I help you? I feel like the dude recording at the start actually likes it secretly. I don't know what's going on. Hey man, Happy New Year.
You alright, dude?
Huh?
Said, are you alright?
Happy New Year.
Oh, I said Happy New Year. You didn't hear me?
No, you said, are you alright?
Oh yeah, before that.
Nope.
Oh fuck.
What is it?
Test.
Works.
I get
'Cause,
to,
like
I
all
get
the
to start now.
oh, it's yeah, it's 9:42 here. I mean, like a lot of bars and stuff, they're still open. Like they'll stay open.
Yeah. I guess.
Sounds like a war zone where I'm at.
I bet. It's fucking Texas, man.
Yeah, it's like, and it's so funny because you can clearly hear what are guns and what are just fireworks.
They're shooting off guns too. Nice.
Oh yeah, all the time. Yeah. We bought like thousands of dollars worth of fireworks. We're gonna blow up later.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Spicy.
I might live stream it. Bro,
Alright.
I don't think I can do that from my phone, can I? You can live stream from your phone now, right?
Yeah, you can do anything.
Yeah, it's a new feature.
I'll try it out right now.
I got Nitro yesterday just for a month to test it out. So now my profile picture can move, and that's all I need. You know, Drew never came back after that day when his brother was tasing him. I wonder if he's alive.
His brother was tasing him. What the fuck?
Remember that?
No.
He had like a taser.
Oh yeah, right, yeah, I remember.
And his brother asked me, he's like, can you make money in Forex? And does he make money? And I was like, yes and no. And then he started tasing him. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm an accomplice if he doesn't come back.
Talking about Druid?
Yeah. He never came back after he got tased.
His brother said he owed him 30K.
That's rough, dude. Can you imagine owing your brother 30,000? Rip. Oh, maybe I should rephrase that. Owing your brother 30,000 due to trading. Yeah.
Due to trade.
Yeah. Not like some other fucking fashion. Yeah. But he also had to buy that taser, so that's kind of like just add on the debt. Alright, what's going on? I'm trading all the volatilities right now. Oh,
This isn't working.
you're trying to do stuff on your phone. Oh, kinda. Like I can see your front camera.
Oh, okay.
Do I get
Hold
on
on,
camera? Is
why can't
today
I
a
see
face
it?
reveal?
No.
We doing this?
It's I'm trying to see if I can. If I go back into the PC, it knocks me out.
No.
Yeah, I'll have to do it like
Yep.
that. Rank and break. Is it moving? It sure is.
Is Deriv moving? Excuse me? Excuse me. Of course it's me.
Yeah, when did it ever not move?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, there's times where it's not moving, I guess, but...
Yeah, in about 4 hours when they shut down the server.
Oh shit. Okay, well there's that. Well, actually, it keeps moving even when they shut it down. Remember that weird time when you were, like, stuck in a trade because of them?
Yeah, because they're not really shutting down, they're just doing whatever, and if your account is affected for 10 seconds, then you're just down for 10 seconds, but you're still in.
It was like a few hours, but yeah. it was something.
Like Mr. Y.
Mr. Y?
Yeah, he like said almost blew up his account because of the maintenance.
Oh, no, he blew it up for a lot of reasons. Nah, he doesn't lie. Maybe it is because of that.
Yeah, it doesn't move 1,000 pips, but during maintenance it just keeps moving.
Yeah.
And the maintenance is like, I don't know, 2 minutes on average, so that means he will also be blown up when he go take a piss.
Yeah.
Stuff moved pretty nice yesterday, actually.
Yeah.
I feel like trading the holidays was just regular trading.
It really was. I am in full agreement, but I didn't trade this last week. I don't know. Couldn't tell you. I kind of got caught up in yeah. You can tell. I've been working on making myself dumber slowly. It's been working. Basically, I've just been jet streaming a bunch of bullshit into my head every day. Guys,
Thought I
try.
would. Yeah.
I'm being serious too. I've been like intaking asinine shit, listening to asinine shit, and then slowly my brain is turning into a puddle. But it's slightly intentional. So. But yeah, I'm looking forward to next year though. It's gonna be probably, I think, one of the best years of my life, I would assume. We'll fucking see. Ebola
dun,
pandemic instead.
Dun 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 dun.
Yeah. Just fucking Ebola pandemic. Hoping to like mark off a bunch of things on my list.
When you're gonna start drinking?
Once I finish my coffee. How counterintuitive. Yeah.
I'll finish my coffee too, and I'll start drinking.
Alright. I should probably drink a bunch of water though prior, because I was drinking before I went to bed. Just how you know. I really am kind of embittered I can't hire a coder anymore for MQL. Like, it is kind of a big deal, as much as nobody would think it would be outside of me.
You gotta move on.
I fucking won't. Like, okay, for example, right? So I get a signal. I know exactly where I can borrow volume. I could just plug it in and look away. I mean, that would be fucking amazing. Are you kidding me right now? Like, I would become... I don't know. The ultimate scalper. Scalper day. But here I am. Succumbing to mental fatigue. Woo. No, I have to go with this guy from Fiverr. But I like the MQL's process more because on Fiverr they'll give you like one, like some people you can pay, they'll do like 1 or 2 or 3 revisions. On MQL they'll do infinite. So, you know, like...
Yeah, but they're just gonna start to ignore you after you ask too many questions.
Oh, not for me. They start getting desperate. They start sweating. They're like, oh, fuck, I put all this time in. I need this money. He just needs this one. At least in my experience, they start getting a little, yeah. I just feel like on Fiverr, though, they can be like, oh well, tough luck. Pay up. And I just, yeah, I'm not feeling that. And I think I scared Wobbler yesterday, so I think I can ask. I think I scared off Collected too, because he hasn't come back in here. God damn it. Well, Collected blew like 4 accounts, if I remember correctly. Or 2. I think it was 2. At the same time.
Oh yeah, through his copy thing.
Did you copy?
6, 8. He blew like 8 accounts.
He was doing FTMO and Envoid, and he was copying
Yeah.
trades over.
Times 2.
Yeah.
But the thing with him is just like one trade just messed him up, and that's it.
Yeah. And then he had a bad interaction with working with me because he was, well,
Yeah.
I'm not going to go over that. But I was very polite, by the way. Wobbler read it. Wobbler's nice. He thought I would. He was like, yeah, I don't know. He's like, he thinks Collected has like an ego issue, but he hasn't come back since then, so I don't think we'll ever see him again.
He'll be
So,
back. He's a trooper. What about Kieran? I haven't seen Kieran in a minute.
all those guys, like all those Australians, man, I don't know.
Aren't they British?
British.
Same thing. I don't know. No, okay.
Same shit, different ocean.
Yeah.
Being extra racist today.
I am, especially against the Brit. Well, we just got the first like UK mutation in California yesterday, so I'm like the first case. So I'm just like all anti-Anglo. But the thing is, it's an old joke with Kieran because he would always get pissed off because I kept saying he was from Australia, but he's not in here, so I guess it just doesn't matter. Oh well. Yeah, but It is what it is. I have a feeling, Alex, you'll find in this server, because you've only been in here since August, that a lot of people come and go. So I kind of wanted to make a timeline with a bunch of arcs, so everybody could see all the people that have dropped in and dropped out in here. It's quite a story.
I see, yeah.
I mean, look, recently we lost, I think, someone as a first mate and Doji-san. So, yeah.
The only people I keep track of are voice people, which is only Swing and Tux right now.
Yeah, we're not talking in voice right now. This is an illusion.
Well, Tax does the extra hammer. So,
What do you mean the extra? Like, well, he does swing a big hammer. I mean, I can't deny that. If that's what you're saying.
yeah.
He doesn't put up with bullshit, but sometimes he's kind of delusional.
Ain't we all?
Yeah, but he'll just get mad over nothing. He'll just make it up. He's like, what do you fucking mean you don't want to wait? You know, like if you said, oh, I gotta wait for this train, you'd be like, he'll just like find something weird and try to make it esoteric, and then like I don't even know what's going on. But it's amusing, I guess. All that matters is that stream chat loves him and adores him. He's only 5 years old, though, as he says. I think I'm 4 years old now.
Did you ever talk to Ryuzaki in voice chat?
No, he never went in voice chat once.
What I would have paid to have that.
What I would have paid, I'd actually enjoy watching Druid and Ryuzaki go at it. Because they're so, like, polar opposites.
Druid has its moments too.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I won't speak because I was drunk and stupid, but yeah. Mine tend to be intoxicated, but that's only if...
YouTube randomly recommended this. What is this bizarre pair? First time seeing this? Why no SL?
Hedging. This is a 1 minute chart, by the way. This is a synthetic index from Deriv. Because the actual forex market is closed, so we're trading that. Fake markets, fake movements, real money.
That should be the Riv's motto.
Everything's fake but your bank.
Real money. Fake market, real profits. Sign up for the Riv today.
It's all bullshit except for the money. Like, fuck.
That's basically what it is. That's actually a pretty good summary.
But how long until we start to realize that real markets are bullshit? We just fucking... Because they're kind of running on the same like kind of math sequence a little bit, just a little bit. At least when there's noise. Just a tiny bit. I don't know.
Oh, I forgot the lights.
I kind of get a kick out of like new in the server and their fundamental traders. Does anyone else ever like? They're like, it's like they don't know. They still don't, you know what I mean?
I used to trade fundamentals, so I understand them. It's fun trading fundamentals.
Yeah, I mean you can be like, okay, what's the 3-month outlook on this thing? All right, let me plop up some pivots. There you go. I mean, if they even use pivots, because they're doing pure fundamental, Alex, they're not doing any TA at all. That's what I find amusing.
How did my Tesla position do, by the way?
Oh my fuck. Okay, you know, I'm not jealous, right? But like, you're still in.
Yeah, and I'm gonna regret it because now it's New Year.
Yeah, I was telling some people about you the other day. I was like, you know, like, so I've got this friend, right, named Fish. He just won't get out of Tesla.
He just won't get out of Tesla.
I was telling you, yeah, I'm like, I got him to stay in a bit longer, and now he's just, I don't know. I mean, if I did, I don't even know if I did at this point. I think it's just like,
No, it's just ego. I want to get 700%.
every fucking
619.48.
I'm gonna go look at it. I'll go look at Tesla. I ain't getting any alerts right now. Surprisingly. I mean, I did get some, but... What was my thoughts on that? Oh. It did the... Okay. I got distracted. Well, fuck me. It's okay. Don't worry, guys. Let's go look at Tesla. I am like the last person to ever get FOMO, by the way. I don't know if anyone can notice. I go, oh, I missed that. Okay, no big. Now, if I only had one setup for a whole day, I'd get pretty pissed off, I guess. I'd be a little pissy. Okay, wait, no. It's because I'm on Deriv. If I was on Forex, I'd be pretty fucking get like 2 to 3 setups a day on these. Alright. Tesla is at 705 as expected. I was expecting 700 as a good point. Because really, it's like, okay, it should get to 750. But I'm just thinking about like retraces here. Like, so, yeah, but stock market behaves so much differently. I mean, like, there's like George Soros said, there's no fight for equilibrium. So, like, it could just like not retrace if it wanted. So that's a bit annoying. But that's what I was predicting. Oh well. But yeah, I mean, shit. I mean, people are predicting things up in the thousands, so
Maybe it's just gonna go back to 2000. Like it was before. Just reset to the old price.
that'd be crazy. I mean, I've already committed to a few companies now, but I'm not really feeling. I mean,
Actually, my target for you yesterday was 727, and it went to 715. That fucker.
yeah, there's only
And it was at 715, and it is. Oh, this is only 660%. Nah, I'm gonna wait. And then I scaled in.
yeah, there was only one place I could have. The way it's trudging up, there's really no entry for me. Like on the daily.
But that's gonna look pretty on Instagram. Oh, my range is finished.
I mean, is it gonna look pretty? I mean, might as well just go for. I remember when 400% was pretty.
Yeah, 400% is so retro.
No, I want you to put that out, and then somebody join the server and be like, "Why do you tell us to not risk this much, and yet you're..."
Oops.
Oops. Hey, I drew a trend line, okay? I didn't touch it.
Yeah, it just left me hanging. What the fuck? I'll do something about that.
When all your discipline comes down to a drawn line, that's when you know. Done it.
That's the reality of trading.
Yep. I was just kind of trying to have like another existential crisis, but yeah, it really is just a line. But it's so, I mean, I'm not hating them.
Remember when we waited 6 hours for half a pip?
I made a meme about that because of you, because I found that really amusing. That was like years ago. I got a real kick out of that. If you go to trade memes, I was the first person to ever post. I made sure to see if I can find it.
Well, I made the first meme. Oh shit.
Well, I used to make trading memes. Like, I had one where it was like, when you're trading the dead session, that's just what I'd like to call it, and it just shows, like, Lord of the Rings when they're going through, like, the fucking swamp bog. Like, where the fuck am I? The one I made, though, was of SpongeBob being like, I don't need it, I don't need it, and he starts sweating. He's like, I need it, and it says 0.5 pips. Just... That's what I made for you.
That's my stop loss.
But that was fucking discipline. Like, I totally would have gotten out.
Yeah, me too.
For hours.
Oh wait, it was me.
Maybe you today? Maybe today? I don't know.
Yeah, today I'm older. I don't have this kind of time anymore.
Yeah.
Lifespan is getting shorter.
Man, that'd be crazy if somebody like, I guess this would be like an interview question. Is like, how do you think you've changed as a trader in the last like 5 years? Do you feel like you're doing anything differently, or like I wonder?
Yeah, I chicken out a lot more.
Oh, nice.
But we can blame Trump on that.
Nah. Okay. I see.
Wow, the range 200 is on fire. Taking profit again.
I might go trade. You know, actually, it's New Year's. I might just go play the range today. Why not? If I blow the account, I'll just replace all the money. Explain it to my friend in Norway. Well, you see, it's New Year's. I was drunk. It seemed like fun.
I accidentally made $16 million.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
I have an odd feeling he wouldn't withdraw that and let me give him the 5% cut that I promised. I have this odd feeling that would be the perfect moment to completely fuck me.
And then you're on CNBC and they're asking, how did you do that? I don't know, I was wasted.
I don't know. I could see him stealing the money from me, because I deposited via crypto, and then like if I did flip it, oh wait, you can't even make 16 mil. You can only get 500k. Yeah. I mean, I couldn't blame him. I'd be like, well played, bro. Well played.
Oh yeah, that would be the kicker. Like you make like, I don't know, like some huge money, like I don't know, 10 million, 15 million, and then the broker like, okay, here's a 500k. Thanks for the rest.
That would be funny. I mean, technically speaking, I mean, it's just their own little market. I mean, yeah, I guess. No, I just mean him. Like, I could see him just being like, I could take this out like he promised to give me a small cut, or I could keep it all, and that's better than 20 withdrawals in the future. Like, oh, fuck. I mean, and I couldn't even get him legally. Because it was all done through crypto. Fuck. Hope he's not watching right now. I don't know if I could blame him, though. I would be like, alright, I can respect that as I get one flight to Norway and a machete.
That's it.
Basically. Nah, I wouldn't do that. I would just, no. I mean, I'd still go over there, but I wouldn't use a machete. That'd be kind of messed up. No, I've thought about that. Like, I was like, known this guy, but I don't want to, like, keep growing it too much. I kind of want to... I'm worried about the broker, and I'm worried about him, because, well, I'm just a paranoid person.
Just get some huge Russian guy. And you just show up. This is Igor. Igor doesn't speak English.
Igor speaks and just wave money in front of him. I gave Igor a bunch of PCP. Oh, fuck.
So you cannot talk yourself out of it. Did I take the 0.5% profit? Before the range is gonna fuck me up, it looks like it's gonna break it. Come on, 6 minutes of transferring data.
I wonder if the people working at Deriv ever watch your stream, hear about me.
About we sending Russian guys to break some kneecaps in order to get our profits? Or you mean?
No, just like Deriv being like, oh, we got a dude that's working through.
I don't think they care.
They probably really don't. They only care the day I withdraw the money. That's the day. Nah, Deriv's cool. Deriv's cool. I can tell you with my tick concept, it does work. So I find that kind of interesting. Because it's supposed to be random, but then I also wonder if the market moves are based, like, let's say nobody's trading the market at all, right? So their little algo, whatever they're using, moves the market, but then when people start trading, they can push it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if that's... because it seems kind of organic somewhat. Like a hybrid thing. Because that would make sense, because I don't know. Unless chaos just always, pure random chaos always makes these patterns, then I guess whatever. I guess that would make sense too. How's it going, Alex? You haven't really said much.
What happened?
I was just seeing what's up with you.
I'm playing Fortnite too. A few hours to like 11ish. When we'll pop the party.
Yeah, I guess I'll like go set up that thing now.
Set up what?
The VPS. Because I just need to go set up a 24-hour alert. Because I can't trust, like, what if I have, like, a blackout, right? Or ISP fucks me. Would be nice.
For your signal thingy?
Uh-huh. Oh, I mean, I could also use it for, like, positions and stuff. I mean, I already have, like, the mobile app, I guess. But I could, like, log in to it. Wait, that doesn't make any fucking sense. Yeah, I have the mobile thing in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, quick maths. But yeah, I need to set up a VPS because, well, I really want to get it connected like Fish has, like Me6, to like a Discord bot, and then have a place where it can like spam the signals. I don't know if anyone would appreciate that.
Yeah, why not?
We have dark pool already.
Yeah, the signal is just a fractal pattern, though. That's it. And I know, like, there's a few people that take advantage of that in the server, so... Because it's not my idea, but it's a good counter-trend setup, so... I mean, loosely, I mean, you've heard me in the past, one of my favorite patterns is the 5-0 pattern. Oftentimes, that fractal pattern is the 5-0 pattern, so it's just coincidental. But it's a good technical way to get a signal, basically. So, yeah. You just take it. Make a signal out of it. Or an alert system. Time to find VPS. Yeah, it would mean absolutely nothing to people in Darkpool, I suppose. Unless people want, like, my levels, and when I enter and exit, in which case I'll just set up a copy trade service. Fucking go hang myself. I mean, I wouldn't mind doing a copy trade thing, honestly, but I would only do it for, like, swing trading, so hence getting a coder to set up that one thing would be useful. And then I don't have to worry about, like, slippage really bad if everybody's, like, getting in. But I only wanted to do that for a few people. I was going to do that with Wobbler. I was going to let him copy trade off of me if he wanted. At least for, like, swing trades. Not my scalps. Just cuz, I don't know. Doesn't hurt anyone. I can turn it off whenever I want.
There's really something wrong with incognito mode.
What do you mean?
I open an incognito window on Google Chrome.
Uh-huh.
And went to YouTube.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then, of course, I have no more YouTube Red anymore, and then I see advertising. The first advertising was in Thai. And then the second one was about trading in German language. How the fuck do they know? I mean, I'm in Thailand. How do they know I'm German if that's actually an incognito window?
No, I know what you mean. I've had the same shit where, like, my languages will change, and I'm like, who hacked my computer? What the fuck is going on?
That just means this is just bullshit.
Yeah. I've had this too, though. Like, I'll go to a website and it'll be like a different country, and I'm like, I didn't turn on a VPN. I didn't. I'm like, what's going on? It's really weird. Really weird.
Like, it shows that, like, Google even tracks your location when, like, your phone is off. Like, completely off.
Yeah, Fish is his phone's in Germany right now. We got him.
Like, still, like, always sending, like, even when it's on airplane mode, it's still sending, like, data packages.
I doubt that.
Yeah. I don't know. I know Obama had his phone, like, modified. So
I'll pull it up. Yeah. I was reading about it a few days ago. They're like, they connected their phone to monitor all the signals. And you can tell me the legitness.
Dude, I've accepted my fate. Like, I already know I'm on a fucking list somewhere. Like, a few lists. I've accepted it. That's why I just say shit. Just don't even care. I'm like, oh well. If they wanted me, they would have gotten me now. Accepted my fate. It's like when you get, like, weird people coming out of nowhere, hitting you up, trying to get your number. Yeah. You go, okay. Like people that just have, like, an unnatural interest in you. It's weird. like from organizations. You're like, okay, they have their ways. I feel like they're just always okay. Paranoid schizo hours. I always feel like they're just data mining me. Like, I don't know, like a field study. So they just let me organically do as I want. Like I said, paranoid schizo hours, but yeah. Not being serious though, like I'm not gonna go over all the stories, but it's just, I think they're just keeping notes. I don't know. Like why do anything? Like, study me for then do something, and then you kind of have like a model. Maybe like we're all in it. Maybe there's like hundreds of thousands of me in a computer they're making a model out of. I don't know. Because I'm not like a threat to anyone or anything. I just say like shit. That's all. Luckily we still got freedom of speech out here.
Oh, V75 is almost at a target. Actually, I have a higher target.
Yeah, VS75 is trudging up. I kind of missed my counter trend.
That's my first target here, right now.
Okay, let me, 1 minute? Oh, you're on the 5th now.
On the 1 minute, yeah, and the second one is 658549.
Well, if I was to project... Yeah, it's basically where I would get out for my projection if I took this long. Huh. Okay. Yeah, it literally hit my projection. Yeah. Okay. Let's go out further. Yep, it also hit, bigger, yeah. Hey! Nice TP level. Where'd you base it off of? Trend line? I think I see a trend line there. Oh, wait, it was earlier. I don't know. That's what I always get a kick out of with like markets when people argue. There's so many like confluences. So like, my trend line coincidentally synced up with this, which synced up with this coincidentally with someone else, and they're all arguing with each other. Always get a kick out of that. But yeah, that was good TP. I should be looking for a short then on D75. But there's no setup pattern wise. Hey Alex, do you like my profile picture?
Yeah, it's pretty nifty.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna close the V75.
Yeah, that's a legit. I mean, okay. You do you. I like the TP as well.
It's probably gonna creep a little bit higher.
Yeah, I mean it's gonna need to retrace and come up first, at least, right? It hasn't done that yet, so who fucking knows.
I'm gonna leave one on.
Yeah, whatever. Making money on fucking New Year's, man.
Yeah, take that, Forex.
We're just a bunch of Jesse Livermores in here.
Beating the bucket jobs.
Yeah, for now. Do you... Nah, I guess we shouldn't get ahead of ourselves, but do you think it'd ever be possible to create our own deriv one day? Our own bucket shop?
Sorry, what?
Think it'd ever be possible where we could create our own deriv or bucket shop one day? I mean, I don't know how hard that is, but...
That's not hard at all.
That'd be fucking cool. Just gotta keep studying their model and look up their connections and yeah.
I would not even do that. I would just invert an existing market or something like that.
Smart, yeah. I mean, Tux has this theory that they get their quote unquote, you know, whatever the hell they're doing from like a tick chart on some random thing somewhere. And they just expand it huge on like an hourly or something. With like maybe random ticks up and down or something. Yeah. Is that what you're kind of saying? I probably lost you. But, yeah. I don't know, it'd be cool to make our own. Because as far as I know, Deriv's the only one out there, so what kind of fucking capitalism is this? I'd set one up, maybe. It seems like fun. I should go and write that down. If you don't do it, I will one day. Just want to know what the fuck I'm doing. I'll figure it out. Want to join me, Alex?
On a deriv?
No, start our own bucket shop, just like Deriv.
Nah.
Okay.
Wouldn't
I mean,
be
they
much fun.
they literally have no competition, dude. They're the only one. Like,
I guess I don't know. I wouldn't get much of a kick out of that though.
fuck you.
Unless making money is your goal, but
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the idea, and also it's fun because now you're in competition with Deriv, and then you get to enjoy that fun stuff. And it'll end up making both platforms nice. So
I guess so, yeah.
it's just something to do, dude. I mean, you're playing Fortnite. It's just something to do.
Yeah, well, I like adrenaline. So I'm like adrenaline junkie. I like danger stuff.
Okay, well, that wouldn't be Fortnite.
That's true. That's true. That's very true. Yeah,
Because you're in the zone when you play,
I'm
right?
a-
You don't get nervous.
I'm about to go engage in pyrotechnic activities.
Oh, I was gonna say, go play Rust if you want adrenaline.
Yeah, I mean, this is kind of like Rust, right? Battle
No,
Royale.
No, it's because you. So when I played Rust back in the day in 2013, I've always been a fucking maniac grinder, right? So I put in 400 hours in my first month of playing it, and it was so hard to get anywhere. It would take like a week to get my gear and my base up and stuff sometimes, or like a few days of just grinding with all these dudes. And when you're getting fucking shot at, you're literally about to lose like 60 hours of work. So you just, you know what I mean? It almost, your body almost feels like it is actually in danger, like you're gonna die sometimes. So, but it's pretty fun. I was addicted to that game. But yeah, Rust. But like with like Fortnite, no. I mean, the games only last, what, max 30 minutes? Like, how long? Alright, you just got up and left. No, that's cool.
Who got up in there?
You. No, how long's a Battle Royale? Like a 30-minute game?
Nah, like 2015.
Yeah, 15 minutes, so that's not
Yeah. Alright.
100 hours before you're like getting shot at by snipers, yeah. Because you lose your shit, and now you gotta grind to get it back, and that could take hours. That could take half a day or a day. So like, because you also have to get research and blueprints and do run. I mean, it's fun. That game was so addicting. But that was in 2013.
Like all the videos that I'm trying to find on the Google tracking thing, they're all deleted.
No. Dude, I saw this thing of Mark Zuckerberg, and he had, who's the creator of Family Guy? In American Dad? Seth MacFarlane. So Seth MacFarlane was bringing Mark Zuckerberg out on the stage, and he's like, oh, let's bring out the Jew that fucked over 2 Aryan twins. And everyone was like, oh my god, did he really just say that? Because, you know, Mark Zuckerberg did do that. And I went back to that video like 2 years later, and they just cut it out like flawlessly, and it doesn't exist anymore, like that joke, like the damage control for it. So yeah, we kind of live in a simulation somewhere, you know, give or take. Sorry if I made anyone uncomfortable with that example, but that's something that I remember that they just did damage control and just you can't find it, and no one ever thought to back it up because who cares? It was like some random Hollywood event.
Random Hollywood event.
Yeah. I mean, who the fuck? Seth MacFarlane introducing Mark Zuckerberg onto the stage? It was probably for his movie. Remember he had that movie based on his life? I think that was the context.
The network, I think.
Yeah. I forgot what he did to those two twins, though. I think they just, like...
Paid him off,
just,
I think.
Yeah, he didn't really fuck them up, but he... I forgot what happened, because that's not scummy. There's nothing scummy paying someone for their job.
He paid him in court.
Yeah, you gotta... I mean, if you want to become one of the richest people in the world, you gotta be ruthless somewhere, right?
That is true,
If that's your goal. Which... That shouldn't be your goal unless you're like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, where they want to start innovating the future. I mean, I know Mark Zuckerberg, quote-unquote, innovates, but... I'm not really sure. I think he's just... He provided a product for over 1 billion people, so he's a billionaire. I mean, he's got Oculus and VR going, but that was clearly Steam in them. It's just, you know... He's got a reputation to live up for, though, right? Silicon Valley, so... You gotta, like, pretend like you're for the future. I don't know. God, I'm such a dick.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I guess. You gotta do something while you're on this earth, right? Hence, we could make our own bucket shop, Alex. Could be fun. I mean, seriously, imagine there's a market and there's no competition. Like, is there any other synthetic instruments out there? Outside of, like, an ETF, which kind of is. I don't know. Let's see, synthetic...
I don't think so. I haven't seen any.
Yeah, I was like, if no one's gonna talk to me, I'm gonna go talk to Google. I was like typing in shit. What do you say, Google? But yeah, it's just deriv and binary. That's a total business opportunity, and if I heard correctly, they're making a good amount of money too. So if you're the only other thing on the market, 2 and 2 together. Alright, I'm gonna go write that down on my Google document so the Chinese can steal the idea. Anytime I type anything online, I just feel like it's been stolen immediately. Just like it's gone. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy, because, how good is actually cyber? I mean, cybersecurity is the highest paying sector right now, if I remember correctly. But I think security nationwide is just absolute shit garbage. Because, like, Hillary's, like, email servers, right? Like, she had a bunch of governments they found that were, like, monitoring it secretly without leaking it. Just, like, are you fucking serious? That's such a joke. No, it's crazy. It's, like, super petty stuff, too. Like my great uncle, right? He was an inventor, and he was working with like the military and Boeing and stuff. And like he would design some things, but then like he got some like through him, right? But he had other stuff that were just straight up just stolen. and they weren't finished. And like he wasn't actually finished with whatever blueprints or whatever he was working on, and people stole the idea, tried to recreate it, but it wasn't complete. So then they were having issues, and so they sent him out to go fix them.
Stolen ideas from where?
Him.
Where like he stole the ideas?
No, from him. They stole his ideas.
They stole the ideas from him, couldn't finish it, so they went to go get him back.
Because he wasn't complete. He wasn't ready. Because like he didn't. Because if he has all the ideas, everything worked out right, he would go present it and get money, or if they like it, right? It wasn't done, but somebody hacked in and stole his ideas. It's very rough translation of events because it's all kind of like gone. But what I'm trying to say is this stuff happens on every level, so it's just like. I don't know. We're all so naked. I guess.
I just got killed by the Mandalorian.
I don't even know all the stuff he worked on. I only know like 2. He worked on early GPS before it was even a thing. And then he worked with missile systems that also used like tracking and could go around buildings and stuff. But that's the only 2 I know.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the other stuff I don't know, or I'm just not allowed to know. I tried to ask him at Thanksgiving. I was like, "Hey, so running into any Russian spies?" And he just like gave me this wide-eyed look. I was like, "Oh shit." I'm always up to no good. Because that was back when Trump won, so everybody was like paranoid about Russia and Russia hacking and stuff. So like that kind of put him on edge. So I was like, "Oops." I was just bannering, but. Yeah, it is what it is. And like the other side of my family, we have like some Freemasons, right? And so they would always like wiretap our phones. So like, or we've also just been told that because we had, like I said, a family member that was in. He was possibly a hitman, questionable. He owned machine guns. The police knew they didn't do shit. And he'd always walk around with huge wads of cash and stuff. And but he worked for the Masons. But yeah, when he died, they raided his house. But they would also he did tell like the family that all the phones are tapped, or they're just listening in. So yeah, that's way back in the day. That's like probably 80s, 90s. Yeah. Anyways, just some fun stories, I guess. I don't know.
I think I need more coffee.
Yeah, I think I need water. Like, I want to drink, but I don't know.
What are you doing for New Year's?
Drinking, mentioning incriminating stories on live stream. I haven't drank yet, so this is just me sober. Let's go.
You're not with your family?
Alright, I get like you're like half Mexican, whatever, but like we're not really family oriented out here.
Oh, that's fine. I mean, I'm not with my family either right now. That's why I'm here.
Yeah, but like, I'm gonna be honest with you, Alex. COVID. So nobody's like around anyone right now. And my aunt just got cancer. So they don't want to have anyone around her that could get her sick too. And all the other families like out of state, so yeah. No family. I don't really care. I mean, it's just New Year's.
Like, only me and my sister here. Well, me and my uncle, and that's it. I mean, all the family we do hang around with. It's my wife's family.
Yeah, but Christmas just passed, so like, who gives a fuck anymore? It's too much to manage. Just move on. And Christmas, it was just my immediate family in the household, and my sister wasn't allowed to come over. Like, she could, but she wasn't allowed. It was kind of weird, but yeah. Like, she did come by, but she wasn't allowed inside, so it was kind of like a weird Christmas. Mostly because, like, right before, she keeps going to church and stuff, so, during this pandemic, because the church she's going to, they don't give a fuck about lockdown, so, yeah. She kind of hates all of us. She's like, you guys are so paranoid, blah, blah, blah. I'm just like, oh my god. This fucking mongoloid. Like, they're like right on one thing. Okay, the death count, it wasn't like 100% death rate plague or 20-30% of people dying. It's like point something percent dying, but I mean, it's not really worth it. Okay, let's say like a small percent die. What percent of them feel like absolute shit garbage for weeks, right? And then how many go to the hospital? Like Seb, he had to go to the hospital, right? Stuff like that. So just how many people in his house? 5? Okay, so we flip how many coins? I don't know. Yeah, no. No, thank you. It's too much thinking for my sister, though. She's special. I wish Stream Chat would join in.
They're all drunk.
Yeah, but I mean, join in. I totally scared off Wallbler. God damn it. He'll be back. I get into this, like, Loki mindset sometimes. You know, like Loki from, like, Norse mythology. Like a Loki archetype, mischief. And, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna Google it.
It's okay. You got some reading to do, Alex.
Yeah, I got a lot of reading to do.
Oh, when I was, 15 or something.
Start researching about this. The more research, more confused I become.
About what? Just name it. I'll tell you everything you want to hear. In fact, I'll tell you too much.
How this pair works and why, for example.
Alright, so Fish is trading either the range break
Looks too
200.
simple.
Yeah, so probably the range break. So the range break ranges, and then it breaks. And then it ranges.
Oh, V75 is on the screen. It's just price action, basically.
Oh.
Yeah, he's on 75.
Oh. Alright, so the V75 it ranges, and then it breaks, but differently. Yeah. I mean, what's simple about it? It looks no different than any other market. Like, what seems easier? Like, you think you're better than us? No. One sip of whiskey, I'm ready to go. Let's go. No, it has a lot of pros. The only con is you have to believe in the magic that is the volatility indexes. And not be like, oh, I don't like that stuff. That's synthetic. It's probably not reliable. then you're just a pussy. But that's the only con. The con is if you're a bitch. Or you don't live in a country where you can trade it. That's actually a bigger con because it's very limited. But there's a lot of people that'll be like, oh, I'm not going to trade that stuff. It's like, why? Fuck. Like, I can find you harmonic patterns, head and shoulders, double tops, double bottoms, wedges, flags, everything on this V75 right now. I can find you trend lines working. Why wouldn't you trade it? This is the question.
Yeah, I'm looking right now if I can trade it from Russia.
Dude, you can hack me from Russia and trade it through my computer. You want remote access? No, I think I mean, unless I know you, I can probably set up more live accounts with them. You just have to deposit, I think, with different currencies for each account.
No, that doesn't work.
Oh. Never mind, I can't do anything for you. I mean, I wouldn't for you because I don't know you, but I thought I could do stuff. What a shame. See, we're gonna change that with our bucket shop. When we make our bucket shop, you can make multiple live accounts. There you go.
No need. If I can't, I can tea.
You can tea? No need. If I can't, I can't. Okay, I see. I mean, yeah. Like, I get it. Wow. Look at Zanotti bragging that he's fishing. Can you teach a man to fish? Fishermen were the first potheads to bait me. The first stoners.
There's like cops all over here trying to find the people that are shooting guns. It's like hilarious.
Now they're just coming for you, Alex.
Nah, I'm not even outside. I don't even know if I am gonna go outside and pop fireworks. It's pretty dangerous.
Yeah, you could like.
Get hit by a straight bullet from one of these idiots.
Yeah. They tested, I think, in Mythbusters, if you shoot a round up in the air and it falls down, it hits you in the head, and that you're okay. It should be fun. So don't worry.
The air ones ain't too bad. It's the ones that are going horizontal that scare me.
Yeah. I can see why.
Yeah, they must hurt.
You want to borrow my vest and put it around your head?
That wouldn't be such a bad idea.
Alright, you just can't see, but good luck.
I'll probably blow him up tomorrow.
Blow what up?
Fireworks I got.
No. I was like, in this server, whenever something says blow up, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna count.
Like, whoa. What's going on here?
Yeah, I was like,
Blow what up?
I like how like I'm getting like no signals. Maybe it's just not working. Man.
It's okay, you'll refund me again.
Yeah. I'll refund your demo account.
Top it off for me.
Alright, well, I'll match you on your demo. How much y'all want, huh? $10, $100, $1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 10 million.
So tired of dying.
Right, statement uploaded.
Throw this shade on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me. Why they throwing shade on me, like they ashamed on me? I thought, what age are we? It's warm outside, and we all want shine. Bet you nobody in the city could stay in the crib this time. Got pics on the way like a vacay. Shoot photo with a AK. Got friends by my side, trying to have a good day. And I why they go chase. Yeah, but it's all on me. Let them roam free like a European. Yeah, see me pick up the phone like I'm trying to haul a home stone. I act like E.T. Yeah, rock them shades, now they can't see. Trying to run away, but I'm not speedy. Ain't no fake, I just want what's real. And I ride that wave till I'm free. Straight on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me. Don't rage. Why they throwing shade on me, like they ashamed of me? I thought, what age are we? What age? Trying to throw this shade on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me. Why they throwing shade on me, like they ashamed of me? I thought, what age are we? First of all, it couldn't be your fault. When this life of mine will fall, it will always be my call. First of all, when this life of mine will fall, I'm trying to right my wrongs. When we both know it's too hard. You on my mind, feel trapped inside. You can't get out, hidden like you classified. Don't get a new grip, maybe even try a new whip. Yeah, the rain's gonna fall on the ridge, yeah, but we gonna have a roof on it. All this shade on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me. Why they throwing shade on me, like they ashamed of me? I thought, what age are we? Trying to throw this. Throw this shade on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me. Why they throwing shade on me, like they ashamed of me? I thought, what age are we? Why they throwing shade? I thought, what age are we?
Alright, that's it for me. Good enough for New Year kind of stuff. Whatever, let me just put on the full screen here. Alright. 37 trades, 100% win rate. That's pretty good, I guess. Maybe I'm gonna do a little bit later. I'm gonna fly my drone now. Have a good one, everyone, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to hop into the Discord. It's 100% free, of course, and always will be.